Oh, you're sweating. Oh my God. Oh.
Second fish.
Wait. I told you today, big. Today exercise. Yes, right. This morning I said, have you had your breakfast? Yes. Oh my God. Yes. On the tail. Yeah, you see. After he will stop. Now he all the way. Okay. Push to Australia. Okay, go push. Woo. Yes, come. Woo! Yes! Yes! Hey! Oh! Yes!
Look at this, man.
Baby! Huh? Nice one! Yes! Okay, sorry, finish. Woo! Yes!
Number 8!
Hey. Oh! Now we don't need it. Yeah. Oh. Mekong.
Oh my God.
Okay. Thôi, hãy câu. Thôi. One time. To the right. Come to the right. Up. Go to in. Down. Open the bell. Open. Please go in. So you help him.
Okay.
Yeah, help him. See how heavy. Go. One. No, below. Oh. Okay, good. Push. I thought you want to go down. Center. Okay, say center. Yeah, I tell you. That's the reason why, you see. Because you will go to the left. Yes. Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah, and the tail.
Move it. Down. Open. Okay, good. Okay, help you. Oh.
Fell in the tail.
No.
You bastard.
See you.
In the tail, eh?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh my God.
Oh.
In the tail.
Now what do you think?
Don't get fish.
What do you want to say? Good?
Yeah, awesome, man.
Okay, pull the tail. Go. Push the motor. Push. Woo! Okay, go. Hey, because you don't drop. Okay. Pan now,ครับ Okay, ครับ I will inform them. It's okay. Slow. Slow, yes. Slow and steady. Good. Slow. Don't jerk. Yes. Hindi không mình học. Ê, khoan em phải thằng này. Go to the right. No. Đây mày.
Oh, fuck, it's on the thing, man.
No, it's okay. Okay. So. Slowly we out. Okay, it's come out. It's out. Okay. Out. You better come inside, you will fall down. Okay. Yes.
What?
So he still got a lot of strength. He's still on strength. big fish. Mana, on. Down. Open. Okay. Oh. Finally. Okay. Heavy. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Fat one.
That
Nice.
one.
Okay. Good. Okay. ได้ไหมพันอ่ะโอ้โฟthis is number 4 ไม่ไหวแล้วดูเขาขออยู่ down okay good oh well done oh big one oh where got small big okay number 4 push Woo! Yeah. Yes. I asked you to come to the right. You come to the right. Listen to me, you bastard. Okay, good. Okay, up, center. Yes. Slowly. The more he pull, the more he tired.
Same.
Same. Okay, down. Hey. No, you came on. Okay. Never mind, you sleep. Never mind. One more time. One more round. Up, hold it.
Not finished.
Hold it. I need size. ไม่ได้เหรอวันใช่โอเคเดี๋ยวโอเคโอ้บิ๊กอัพใช่เขาคันลงเขาปลาก็ลงสิเขาก็ต้องดึงไว้โอเค no more time this time we'll get it one more time up down. Open. Okay. Go. Oh, this is big. Help him. Okay. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, so sorry. Oh man. Woo. Number 5, right? Yeah. Number 5.
500 kilos. Yeah.
Okay, push. Pull the tail down. Push. Woo. Okay, well done. Number 6, huh? Huh? 6. Any ตัวที่ใด Oh, I'm 6. Okay.
This one, we won't take a photo, but it's about 100 kilos.
See, now you can control the fish already. Whoa! Oh, until open. Yeah. Until the fish belly up. Woo! Number 9. Yeah. Number 8. Let's see. Come on. Go hold the bow. It's a cup. Look like cup. Go hold it. See what? Cup. Okay. Continue. Yes. I think it's a cup. Cup. Ooh. Come on. ใช่ป่ะน่าจะใช่เลยโอ้it's a cup big cup sorry okay down okay yes cup okay ช้อนนะโอ้ย very rare come on woo okay go to the net woo yeah Hey. Oh, yes.
Look at this, man.
Baby, huh? Ah. Careful. Be careful, huh? Why the fish so stubborn? Yeah. Okay. Up. Okay. Okay, hold it there. Okay, down.
Got it. 10
Okay.
digit, man.
Okay, last piece, go. Bring it.
Please hold it.
Take photo. Number 10, huh?
Number 10 is a good size. He was a fighter.
Oh, number 10.
Number 10, Mekong Cat.
Double digit. Okay.